Hi everyone, I'm Janet Babajide, a member of Developer Student Club, Ekiti State University, and also Eternity Ekiti. This video is about Jænet, an app built on Eternity blockchain. As a designer who deals majorly in paper crafts for beautifications of schools, event centers, offices, and even for homes, I needed a lot of customers to come patronize me, especially those I can't get in touch with facially. So I thought of creating an app showcasing my various work for people to see, admire, and then purchase at affordable prices using AE coins. And then I have Jænet. Speaking of the different section in the app, it has the buy design section, where users get to see different designs displayed, showing the names, the categories, images, and their respective prices. And here you can add and reduce the number of designs you want by clicking on the plus and minus sign respectively. It also have the about me section, which tells you the necessary things you need to know about me and also how you can contact me for help. It shows my display picture, my name, my email address, contact, tag, and little description about me. Another section is my design section, which is where the design purchased in the buy design reflects, showing you the name, the category, the quantity, and the amount of designs you purchase. And finally, we have the admin section, which is only accessible by me. Display two buttons, the profile button and the add design buttons, where I update the about me content and include new design to the app. And it also shows the transaction list tab, where all designs purchased are shown. Speaking of smart contracts, I created a payable contract named Jænet so as to accept payments for designs. I created a record to collect my personal details for the About Me section, including an ipfs image hash for my picture. Then I created a design record that collects the information of the paperwork design, and also created a record to collect information when a design has been paid for. After that, I finally created my state record, which has my account details, all designs, all transactions, and lastly my eternity address for admin privileges. I created my init function to get my state record at the initial stage, which are empty, and the address and the admin address contain my area address. I created function to get about designs, transactions, and user transactions. Then I created a function to add my about details, and also a function to check design if the design name exists in the design record. After that, I created a add design function to add new design provided they did not exist in the design record. Lastly, I created a function called buy design that gets the design details, buyer's details, and then performs the transaction by paying the allocated amounts to the admin address before recording the transaction. Now, the JavaScript. After creating some IDs on my index.html file, which was built using Bootstrap and jQuery, I created some variables to get those IDs. Then I created client and contract instance variables to get the contract instance using Eternity JavaScript SDK. After that, I created a contract address variable, which is the address gotten after deploying by contact on testnet middleware using Fire Editor. I also created a variable called contract source, which contained my smart contract code. Then I created a design dump function that adds design to the UI after getting the design details from the blockchain. I created my transaction done functions that gets user transaction after making a purchase, and also did likewise for the admin that shows all transactions. Sure. Okay, I created a load event listener function to actually get a record once user load the page, which also includes the function to make a design purchase after the design has successfully loaded. Finally, I created a function to undo by design, add design, and lastly editing the about me details. This is all about Janet. Thank you for watching. Bye.